Got a couple new tools that I wanted to show off, and got rid of the Harbor Freight roll cart. Found a Snap-on roll cart on Craigslist for $800 that almost matches perfectly to the Epic box that I've got. So I picked that up, do a little tour on that as well. Main drawer hasn't changed any. I'm still waiting on my short soft grip 3/8. I might upgrade and get the real long half. This one's pretty long. One of the new tools I got is this Crimper. This one's a OTC one that the Matco guy had on his truck for $40. So I picked that up. It's cool because it's got that nice sharp angle on it compared to the straight one from Snap-on. Wrench drawer hasn't really changed any. Still got Napa, gear wrench, Craftsman, and my stubbies are Tecton, and these are stubby gear wrench. Just the Allen's seal puller, hose cutter, pickle fork, Harbor Freight punch set. These are just some extra sockets that I've got. They're all Craftsman. Extra screwdriver tray. Just some miscellaneous stuff. Just random parts for the truck. Got more miscellaneous sockets in there. Alright, now for the tool cart. It is orange with black trim and the bed liner on the top. I've got Craftsman and Napa sockets in the cart, and just some Napa pry bars, some Harbor Freight hammers. What I do like is this one did come with these little side trays in the top that are an added option. And I've got Craftsman, Napa. Got these on the Matco truck used, which the guy, whoever bought those, might have used them once. Got those for $90. I've got some Napa, Harbor Freight stuff, Craftsman. Just random wrenches. There's some gear wrench stuff in here. These are gear wrench. Most of these wrenches I got for free. Just stuff that I've picked up over the years. Got some Harbor Freight in there too on the stubbies. Just miscellaneous stuff. Got all my Craftsman screwdrivers that I hardly use. More miscellaneous stuff. So, not a bad little setup that I got. Saw this cart for sale one night at work. I was working late. Messaged the guy that night. Went and picked it up the next morning. It's a great little cart if you're ever in the market for one. There's a ton of room in it. What's nice is you can lock the top up, but leave the drawers open. That locks the drawers, and then when you lock the top, it just locks the underside of each slide. It does have a hole in case you want to put like a scanner or something up top that you want to charge and you want to lock up. So it's a great little cart. I'm sure happy with it. And I'm sure happy with my Epic box. When I had put the order in for it, because this one had to be made, they didn't have any in this color combination in stock. I told them to make it with black wheels, so hopefully my dealer can get those switched out here pretty soon. We've been kind of battling back and forth with them on that, even though that we put that in the order. And something I just found on Instagram is they make a blackout kit for these. So I got 2 of those on order, one for the main box and then one for the cart, so I can get everything black or orange all together. So thanks for watching.